Hey everyone, it's that time again. I need to replace the battery on my Toyota Yaris. Start by lifting the red battery terminal cover. Next, I'm using a radio saver tool. Make sure you use a new battery each time you use one of these. I like this tool so there's no need to reprogram the radio and clock when you disconnect the battery. Put the red clamp on the positive terminal and the black clamp on the negative terminal. Loosen the negative terminal first and remove the negative terminal. Put it to one side. Now loosen the positive terminal and put it to the side out of the way. Now loosen the battery clamp. And take out the J hook. To remove the top clamp, give it a wriggle and take it off. To remove the battery, grab it by the handle and lift it up. While I have the battery out, I'm just going to give the base a good clean. I'm also going to clean the area down below. Put the base plate back in, line up the two notches with the two holes down here. I'm using a eraser battery. Grab it by the handle and put it back in. Remember to make sure the positive and negative terminals are facing the correct way. Also remember to remove the post covers. Put the bracket back in place. Replace the J pole. It should hook onto the metal base down below. Finally, replace the nut and tighten until firm. I noticed there was some corrosion on the old battery terminals, so I'm going to use some battery grease and these anti-corrosion pads. Replace the positive terminal and tighten until firm. And now replace the negative terminal and tighten until firm. Now you can remove the radio saver tool. First remove the positive clamp, followed by the negative clamp. Next, close the positive cover and check the battery light is on and working, and you're done. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.